G'day guys, Steve from Service Amarok, and I'm down here today with Will from Engine Carbon Clean, and we're going to perform a Stage 2 on this 2015 Volkswagen Amarok. This Amarok currently has over 300,000 Ks on the clock due to the owner's long distance daily commute. Before any work is carried out, the engine is scanned for any engine codes. And on this scan, two codes were found, P0401 and P0544. A Stage 2 requires the manifold to be removed. In order to do that, you first need to remove the intercooler pipe, and then the throttle body, and then the EGR pipe, followed by the EGR valve. Next, the fuel lines are removed and the fuel rail is unbolted and moved to the side to access the top bolts of the manifold. Once all the components have been removed, they are then stripped down and placed into the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. During the combustion process, whether it's petrol or a diesel engine, not all the fuel gets burnt. The unburnt fuel leaves behind carbon, which over time builds up and causes a number of issues. Loss of performance, louder engine, lumpy idle, smoky exhaust, increased emissions and a drop in fuel economy. Once cleaned, the parts are inspected and dried before being reinstalled with new gaskets. A Provent 200 catch can from Western Filters should also be fitted to stop the oily residue from entering the manifold. Now that the engine is back together, it is primed and started to see if the engine codes have been cleared. Then a Stage 1 is performed, with the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle for approximately 1 hour. The entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without any use of harmful chemicals or any damage to the engine. So if your vehicle is lacking the power and performance and you're getting poor fuel economy, contact enginecarbonclean.com.au.